So in this video, I'll show you two ways on how to add a picture on a video in CapCut. So after you open up the CapCut, now here is my video in the timeline. If I want to on it, just go to this media, go to import. So now it will take you to your PC where you save all your pictures. So go ahead now and select the picture like this. Let's say I want to use this as a picture. After you select the picture, just click on this option. It will now take the picture inside your CapCut in this option. So from there now you can just go ahead now and drag the picture to your timeline. So here is the first method. So after you select now the picture like this, so go to this basic, and now you can scale the picture. You can reduce the size or you can increase the size of the picture like this, and you can position the size. That's the first method. So the second method to add a picture in a CapCut video, what you have to do, just go ahead now and import the picture from this option. After I add the picture on my timeline, so now the picture is above my video. So all I have to do now, I'll just select the picture like this, go to this mask, and then add mask. So click on this cycle. So after I select the cycle, so scroll to down again and click on this reverse. So after you click on the reverse, now you can just drag this edge to back like this. So from there, as you can see now my video now is playing inside the picture. So let's play the picture and see. As you can see, now my video is inside the cycle and the picture is behind the video, and that's it. Now you just go ahead now and change the duration of the picture to fit the video, and you can play all the video. So if you want to change the video, make sure you click on the video like this and make sure the video is in the cycle, in the center of the cycle you added. So, and that's it. If you want to increase or decrease the size, you can just go ahead and do it by clicking on this option, this one, bringing it back to in. So here it will increase the size and it will decrease the size, and that's it. Be sure to like and subscribe if this video helps you out.